Hi, this is Patrick Ryan with Sotheby's International Realty with another 2-minute market update. This time we're going to go over tips for sellers to get top dollar in this market and to ensure a smooth escrow. Sure, it's a seller's market, but that doesn't mean you can just put up a for sale sign and slap a price tag on it and expect to get the highest possible price when you sell it and or a smooth escrow. So these tips will help you sellers out there when you go through that process. Number one, and most important, make sure your agent provides you with a comprehensive market analysis. That's a CMA. A CMA basically goes back about 6 months, gathers all the comparable sales in your neighborhood to come up with a range of what your home should list for when you put it on the market. And comparable sales means similar in size, bedroom, bathroom count, similar in location. The condition of the home can be different, and that will be adjusted for when you're assigning a value to the home. And in a fast-moving, accelerating market like we're in now, the homes that sold 6 months ago, it may be a different price if it's sold now, so that can be adjusted as well. But that will give you a true valuation of where your home should sell or should list in today's market, and that's number one. Number two, make sure you have professional photos and professional video done of your home. That's key. Buyers now, every buyer starts looking on the internet. So photos and videos are now the new curb appeal. Whereas before people used to drive by the house, now they drive by just looking at photos on the internet. If your agent is taking photos with a cell phone and they're not doing any videos, they're doing you a disservice and you're not going to get top value and you're not going to get the most eyes on the property. Sotheby's International Realty, who I hang my shingle with, they require us to use professional photographers, and I do a video virtual walkthrough and or a virtual open house on every property I list. That ensures you want to get more eyes on the property online. That's going to increase the competition and increase the chances of multiple offers, which will drive the sales price up. Number three, and this is really important for the smooth escrow part, make sure you have all of your disclosures, all the required disclosures of sellers completed before the property goes on the market. You will have 7 days once you get into contract to provide all the documentation to the buyers, and nothing is worse than trying to scramble at the last minute to fill out paperwork that should have been filled out beforehand. So best practice is for the agent to have all this completed in a file, so when you get an offer, you give it to the buyer right away, it's ready to go. That really helps make the escrow process smooth. Number four and last is home inspections and pest inspections. Now that is up to the seller. My advice usually is that I think it's a good idea for sellers to get their own home inspection and pest inspection. That allows them to fix anything they find that's wrong with the home, as no home is perfect. And it also, if they don't want to fix anything, they can provide that to the buyer and say, look, we've already done inspections, here's what we found. Sometimes buyers will get their own inspections, sometimes they won't. But that's what I usually will recommend, or actually I always recommend it to sellers. Sellers don't have to do it. They can say, I'm going to sell the property as is. I have a listing in Pebble Beach right now where it's a trust sale. They're going to sell it as is. They didn't want to do any inspections, and that's fine. So those four little things, if you do those, that can really help you get the top dollar for your home and also help ensure a smooth escrow. And those are really important to reduce the stress of when you're selling a property in California. If you have any specific questions or like to delve deeper into it, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you. My name is Patrick Ryan with Sotheby's International Realty. My phone number is 831-238-8116. My email is patrick.ryan@sotheby's.realty. I live and work in the area, and I love to help you down here. Carmel, Pebble Beach, Pacific Grove, Monterey, and the surrounding Monterey Peninsula. Okay? Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week.